Hello everyone, I'm Ankita Asthana and I'm a wedding photographer who loves to travel, and I founded Wedding Nama. Today I'm here to unbox this lens and tell you a little about it. It is the 24 to 200 mm Z mount lens specially made for the Nikon mirrorless system. A lot of Nikon mirrorless users had been waiting for this lens, and why would they not? One of the reasons for shifting from DSLR to mirrorless is to have a compact and a lightweight system. And I think this lens is perfect for that. A single lens that can give you a range of focal length from 24 to 200 is quite exciting, right? It has a variable aperture range of f4 to 6.3. It has VR. I think it's something like a combination of a 24-70 f4 and a 70-200. I think it's a perfect lens for somebody looking for convenience as well as portability. It is like an all-in-one versatile lens. So without further ado, let's unbox this. Warranty card. One of the things I love about Nikon is the service that they provide. Let's open it up. Lens hood. And finally, the lens. Voila! It's super light. Wow, this is a 24-200. Alright. Okay, so it is very light. I think it's about 570 grams or something. The zoom starts from 24, which is a little different from the 24-70 and a 14-30, which had a different locking mechanism. It has a lock button. Alright. Ooh, that's butter smooth. I like the build quality. It doesn't have the auto or manual button. I think that's the difference between the S-line lens and this one. I think the build quality is good and it's not going to start zooming out on its own, but I think they've provided a lock for that reason, just in case. Okay, so it doesn't lock when it's at any other focal length, only at 24. Overall it looks good. They still have the customizable control ring, that's good. So I think it's time to try it out. And I am back. I tested this lens. It was easy to carry around for a long period, and I think for the first time I had the flexibility of such a wide range of focal length and zoom capabilities. I could get a variety of frames with a single lens. The sharpness of this lens is actually incredible, and it does not disappoint when it comes to the image quality which is expected from any Nikon lens. The VR is good, and I was able to take stable shots even at 200 at shutter speeds as low as 1/30. So if you shoot with this on a Z6, you can actually really use the camera's low light capabilities to produce good imagery. You can also use this lens with the Z50, which is a crop sensor. I've got one here, and it becomes a 36 to 300. So you get even more zoom capability. While traveling, I think the biggest question that you have is which lens to carry. Even while going for a shoot, I think that's the biggest decision that you make. Since this is lightweight and compact, I think it might be a good choice for travel photographers as well as semi-professionals. And I think even wedding photographers can try it out. You need to add light in a lot of scenarios anyways. So what this lens brings in exchange for a few f-stops is a lot of flexibility and the ability to capture a variety of moments. You can compare it with the 24-70 f4 and you can see that it is not very different in terms of the size and the weight of it, but it gives you so much more. So if you are a photographer who wants to simplify the system that you use, then this lens is made for you. Oh, and the folks at Nikon told me that very soon this lens is going to be bundled as a kit lens. So stay tuned for some exciting announcements from Nikon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay inspired.